Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you guys this new powerful vault website that comes with tracking page, notification, and all of that here in this particular website. So in this particular website, users can actually store their valuable item, be it whether it's gold, their diamond, or any valuable item at all. So as they store their item here, users they can actually track the progress of that particular item. Alright, all of that. So this is actually the front end of this particular website. You can see everything's everybody talking about gold already. So you can see right here gold, talking about gold already. As you can see it's well designed, well structured and layout already. As you can see right here. So without wasting much of your time, so let me just go straight to the dashboard so that I can actually show you how this particular website actually works. So in this video, I will show you how the website works, how you can actually set up this particular website for yourself too. Alright, so let me log into my account. So if you want to log into your account, you can just once you log into your account, it will take you straight to this dashboard which you are seeing right here. So you can click on access vault right here. Just click on access vault, so this way you can log in, or you can just sign up for an account. So to sign up for an account, you put your full name, email, password, then put your secret code right here. Alright, so this is the dashboard. Okay, so for the dashboard, so walk you through everything right here, right from the dashboard down to this last part right here. So for the dashboard, we have total asset, total value, then security level, then we have asset value. Then you can see like if your asset is going down or going up depending on you. So we have recent vault deposits right here. So you can see we have a laptop with gold on it. You can see the weights, you can see the deposited dates, you can see the secret code and the serial number. So you can click on view details right here. So let's click on view details right here, so it will take you to the page to see more about that particular item you deposited on this particular vault website. You can see the depositor name, you can see the email, the address, the nationality, secret code, serial number, all of that. So amount to pay, this is actually the processing fee, so that because once you deposit to the website, so you'll be asked to pay certain amount for the processing fee. So that can be controlled from the admin. All right, so you can see the access specification and all of that, the value, information of the depositor, the next of kin right here, then payment history. We have no payment history because we have not paid the money yet. So let me go back to the vault. All right, so let me go back to my dashboard. All right, so you can actually see capital of view, and this amount is the amount they will pay for the processing fee. So that can be controlled for the admin. So you can set the processing fee to either to any amount of your choice. So this is just the recent for deposit will be showing right here. So we have some quick action right here. You want to make a new deposit. This place payment is to pay for the processing fee, then the certificate and all of that. So that's all for the dashboard part. So let's go to my vault assets. So click on my vault asset. So on this particular page, you'll be able to see all your deposits you have made on this particular vault website, all your assets in the vault website. And this is the page you can also still track the progress of the vault details. All right, so yeah, right here you can see you have total assets right here. We have total value, that is the total amount, like the worth of all your assets you have on the vault. So you can see the active assets. All right, so we have all vault assets right here. You can see asset name, golden bar, 1 gram. You can see the certificate number right there. We have the depositor name, we have nationality, we have the purpose of the deposit, we have the deposited date, and we have the action right here, which you can view or track that particular asset you have right here. So let me click on view. So if I click on view, right, so you can see the information about that particular asset you have right here. All right, so we have the, you can see this one I've paid for it already. You can see payment history right here, method we choose crypto, as you can see the status completed. That means I've actually paid for this and it has been confirmed already. All right, so let me take it back so that I can actually track this particular asset which I have on this vault. So let's wait for it to load. All right, so let me track this particular one right here, this first one. Let's click on track. Click on track. All right, perfect. As you can see, this is the tracking page right here. So in the tracking page, you can see the item right here, which is gold. You can see the serial number, the insured amount, your tracking number right here. We have the deposit date, current location, which is US. You can see the status is pending, and you can see the asset status, the temperature, humidity, and all of that right here. So right here you can see the transport route and live tracking right here. As you can see, so it's actually moving from London to the vault right here. You can see the estimated delivery, the distance, the carrier, and the security level, all of that right here. So you can see the shipment status right here. You can see the progress, which is 20%. You can see order placed and verified. The deposit request has been confirmed, was confirmed. So that's if when you paid for your processing fee, you can see it has been confirmed already. You can see the status right here. You can see your package is pending right now. All of this, you can actually do that directly from the admin. So down here we have the shipment documentation. We have the manifest and still reports. You can click on download right here. Alright, you can see right here manifest and still reports, and you can see it right here. So you can see your tracking ID, the asset type, which is gold. You can see your serial number and all of that right here. So let me go back. Alright, so let me scroll down back there. We have the insurance certificate. You can click on view. Alright, you can see the insurance certificate right here. You can see it right here. Certificate number, your serial number, the assets, active and verified, fully insured during transport, all that is right there. You can see the carrier agreement. You can click on download to download that. You can see right here. So this is the transport and carrier agreement right there. So let me go back. So that's all for the tracking page. You can see the security monitoring, all of that. So you can see your vault support. You can contact them right on this particular tracking page. All right, so let me go back to the dashboard part. All right, so that's all for this particular my vault asset part. You can see right here I've talked about everything here. So you can just click on add new asset. That's if you want to deposit, you want to add a new asset to this vault website. All right, the next part of talking about is the certificate. All right, let me click on certificate. Alright, so this is the certificate page. You can see right here, you have total certificate, you have to add certificate, which is 1. Alright, so you can see each of the products or each of the assets you have on your vault. You can see this is pending because you have not paid for the processing fee yet. This has been confirmed already, so you can click on view. This is to view the certificate. You can see it right here. So this is your certificate, and you can also see download the official PDF. You can just go on download that. then you can download that and have it with you. So that's for the certificate part. So that's just all about the certificate part literally. It's just your certificate for each, once you deposit to the vault, so certificate is being generated for you. You can see right here. All right, so for the payment part, payment. So payment is the part once you have deposited to this particular vault website, so you are asked to pay your processing fee, like I said before. So that processing fee can be controlled from the admin. So depending on the amount you want to charge them for the processing fee, maybe you are going to charge them for your transport, like to get the, like if you know they are depositing to the website, so you can charge them for to come and pick the package from their location and transport it down to the vault. So that's can still be used for the processing fee. So right here we have the total paid, pending payments, that is due. You have two due payments, you have recent transaction, last at the about three. All right, payment issue right here. So for the diamond which we deposited right here, I have not paid for that yet. Then we have for a laptop, we good on it. I've not paid for it yet. We can just click on pay. Then for the gold bar, that has been confirmed already, as you can see right here. So let me just view the receipt of this particular one which I have paid for already. So let me click on view receipts. All right, so this is your receipt. As you can see, amount paid 1000, the USD have been paid already. So you can see the status is confirmed already. So you can also still download the PDF if you want to. So let me just go back and let me take you to the one that I have not paid. I've not paid for yet. So for the payment, you can also either pay with cryptocurrency or you can pay with bank transfer. So depending on you. So this particular website actually offer that particular feature on in it too. So let me just wait for it to load so that I can walk you through that process. All right, so let me just click on pay now. Let's say I want to pay for this processing fee for this diamond which I have deposited already. So I just click on pay now. Let's wait for it to load. All right, so this is the payment page. So I want to pay for that particular. You can see due amount 1000 USD. So I can either pay with bank transfer right here. So you can see the bank name will be present right here. I will show you how you can actually set up this particular one right there. So we have you can either pay with bank transfer or you pay with cryptocurrency. Right here you can pay with Bitcoin or you can pay with Ethereum. So the amount has going to be converted already. So either you are paying with the Bitcoin, you are paying with Ethereum, or you are paying with the USD amount right there. So let me just say I want to pay for this one. You can just browse on your image. You can just select any image and just click on confirm payment. So once you click on confirm payment, submit that. Once it's approved, the status of your shipment will be updated. Then you can now start tracking your the progress of your deposits. All right, so let me just go to the next part of this particular website. All right, so let me walk to the other part, which is the account settings. So this account settings, this is where users can actually update their personal information, or whether they want to update their password or they want to change their name. So you can actually do that here. So you can update your name right there. You can change your password right here, and you can change your security key right here if you feel maybe that you want to give it to someone else or something. You can just change it right there. All right, so let me go to the new deposit. So this new deposit part is how you can actually deposit um item or valuables to this particular vault website. All right, so you can either deposit, whether you're depositing gold, you're depositing diamond, or you're depositing documents, you're depositing cash, or whatever you actually want to deposit. So you can actually see deposit it right here. So let's wait for it to load so we can see what we have on this particular page. All right, perfect. All right, so you can see your total deposit right here, your active deposit, your last deposit date right there. So to deposit, you just have to input your full name right here. So by default, this will be the name you used to register, or you can also clean that away. Then we have your address, your nationality, Then deposit details, automatically these have been generated for you already. Your security code, serial number, reference issue number, tracking ID, and all of that right there. The amount to pay, this will be your the amount you pay for this particular deposit you're about to do. Okay, right here we have the asset type. So it can either be gold, it can be diamond, it can be cash, it can be document, or it can be other document that you can just write what you want to deposit right there. Let's say you want to deposit gold. You can see the asset description, you can say gold bar, put the weight, the quantity, the asset value in USD, the carat, which is for gold, then the purpose of your deposit. Then right here we have deposit duration. Okay, that be 1 year, 2 years, or you can just leave it as unknown. Then we have next of kin name, your next of kin email, next of kin phone number, next of kin address. Once you click on submit and once you make your payments, it has been confirmed. You receive email notification and all of that right there. So that's us basically all about the user dashboard. That's how everything actually works on the user dashboard part. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually manage this particular website from the admin end, and how you can just see how to control everything and how it works from the admin. Alright, so let me just take it there so that you can see how that works. Alright, so once you log into your admin, it will take you straight to this particular dashboard which you are seeing right now. Alright, so this particular place you can see your vault deposit. So this is for the admin. You can see asset description, on the depositor name, amount paid, the payment status and confirm, shipping status, which is pending right here, because you have to update that to pending once they have paid for, once the money have been confirmed already. Right, so you can delete a particular tracking, and you can click on details to see the details of that particular tracking right here. Alright, so you can also still click on update tracking. Let me click on update tracking right here. So this particular one, let me see, this gold bar, because that's the account I'm logging, is mine. So let me click on update. The current status of this one now is let me click on my vault. So let me click on track so that you can see the current status of that particular one right now. So that, let me update it so you can see. This is it. Gold bar. This is it. Track. Alright, perfect. You can see the status now has been other place and verified. So let me update the status of that one. So let me update the status from pending to collected. You can see the current location. You can just put let's say USA. Update notes, or let me just say your package or your item have collected. So let me just click on update tracking. Alright, tracking updated successfully. So let me just go back to my tracking page so that we can see if that has been updated. So let me just reload this page. Alright, you can see the status right here. The progress has gone to 40%. You can see it. Order confirmed. Asset have been collected. Secure collection from your location. The current location, your item has been collected. Alright, so you can see that's how you can also update the tracking of a particular item. So you can delete or view details of that particular whichever one you want to do. Alright, so let's go to the other part, which is the user section. Click on user. So this way you can see all the users on this particular website. So you can either delete them, and you can see the password, their security, and all of that right there. Then if you click on payments, once you click on payments, let's click on payment. So this payment will just be the people that have actually completed, that people that actually they have paid for, they have paid. So this way you can actually see approve or delete it. All this one have been approved already. That's why the approve button is not showing anymore. So once they make payments, once they are paid for the processing fee, then you can come here and click on approve, and the status will be updated to completed. Then for settings, you can click on settings. So this way you set your site name, your site email, your site name, site URL. Yeah, this way you set your processing fee for depositing to the vault. You can put your vault location, your carrier, your security, and all of that. So you can click on accounts. Accounts, so that you can change your admin details and change the password. So that's basically how the websites actually work, right from the user side down to the admin side. Right, so that the next part of this particular video is to show you how you can actually set up this particular website for yourself. All right, so once you have purchased your domain name and hosting, then you have gotten your cPanel days. Once you log in, you'll be seeing what I'm seeing right now. So if you don't know how to get your domain name and hosting, then just contact the number you see below this particular video and we'll walk you through on how to get that. All right, so the first thing you should look for is to look for file manager right here. So once you're here, just scroll down, look for file manager, click on it. So once you click on it, you will see public underscore HTML. Click on that. So for this particular video, I'm going to put mine inside the subdomain. I already have a test subdomain I use for my test work, so you can follow what I'm doing, or you can just upload your own inside the main public underscore HTML and just click on upload. So let me look for my subdomain, which I've already created already, so which is this test one. All right, so it's empty. So if you public underscore HTML, you should be seeing public underscore HTML right here. Okay, so just click on upload, just follow the same process which I'm doing. Either you're uploading yours and you public underscore HTML, or you're uploading yours inside a subdomain or inside the folder. Whatever one you are doing, just do click on upload and follow the same step which I am doing. All right, so just click on select files. All right, so let me look for the okay, this is it, right? All right, so this is it right here. Just click on it and click on open. So just have to wait for it to finish uploading. So it has to get to 100%. Just have to wait for it to finish uploading. So while that is uploading, let me be creating my database. Alright, so to create a database, just come back to this particular page what you are seeing right here. Search for DB, this particular one right here, database wizard. Click on it. Alright, so for your database name, you can either use DB or just use whatever name you want to use. So let me actually use the same name it's coding for us. Just put it here and put DB to it. DB. Just copy that. Next step. That's the database name. So you can put whatever name you want to put. Alright, so for the username, I actually like to put the same name as the database name. Then for the password, I can just copy this, or you can click on password generator, then have copied this password. Just copy this password and keep it somewhere safe, then click on use password. Alright, but I want everything I want to be the same thing. So I can just copy that and paste it right here. Then I'll click on create user. Alright, once I click on create user, take me to this page. So you just have to click on allow all privileges, then scroll down, click on make changes or next step. So I'll just click on make changes. Alright, okay, so once you just see this, just know you have actually successfully created your database and your user. Okay, so let me check if my file has finished uploading. Perfect, has finished uploading. So you can just cancel this, come back here and click on reload. Alright, once you reload this, you see the zip file right here. So just click on it and click on right click and click on extract. Then click on extract files. Alright, so once you see this, just know that the file has finished extracting. So you can close, then reload this particular file from here. Just can reload, then right click and delete this. You don't need it anymore. Confirm, then double click on this particular folder, that's the one we extracted, then select all, then click on move file, then just clean everything. If you upload yours inside the public underscore HTML, you should just clean everything and it should look like this. But since mine is inside the subdomain, I'll just clean this and put it inside my subdomain. I'll just click on move files. Alright, perfect. So I have an installation guide right here. So let me just open the installation guide so that we can just walk through all the process and see how we can set up this particular file. Alright, so to set up your database, look for a config folder, edit the db.php. Alright, so set up database, look for config folder, use the config folder right here, then db.php, which is this, then click on edit. Alright, so this way you set your database username, database password, database name. So you can just set this according to the details which you use to create your database. Alright, so once you do that, that is done. Don't forget to click on save changes right there. Alright, so that is done. Then you said go to the SQL folder, then locate your database.sql file. Alright, so let's go back and look for an SQL folder right here. So I'll just click on this to download that particular SQL file. So now I'll go back here and search for php admin. Alright, so just look for the particular one which you created. Don't pay attention to any other one right there. So this one we created, Golden Frost DB, just click on it. So in your own, you should just have just the one you created. If not, just look for the particular database name or the particular database you created. So just click on it, wait for it to load. Alright, so just click on import. Click on import, just click on browse, then just look for the particular SQL file which is this, then click on open, then scroll down and click on import. Alright, so once you see this green stuff right here, just know that the SQL file has finished importing. Right, so let's leave that to finish import. Let me go back to the installation guide. Alright, so we have done the SQL already. So we have done the okay. Now to set up your email, look for a config folder and edit the function.php. Alright, let's go back to the config folder, then function.php. This is it. Click on edit. Then to set up your email, just the host will be your domain name. To get your domain name, you can get your domain name from here. So just go back here and click on tools right here. So this is your domain name right here. So you can just copy it and go and paste it right here. Paste it right there like that. So then your username will be the email which you created. So let me just quickly walk you through that. So to create an email, just click on accounts, email account, click on it. Alright, so just click on create. So you can either use any name you want to use, either info, mail, no reply, whatever name you want to use, just put it right there, then put the password right there and then click on create. So once you create that, you should have something like this right here. So once you just copy the email, you come back here, put the email right here which you created, then put the password right here, then just leave this, then put the email right here again, the email right here again, then put your name of your site right here and here. Alright, so that's all about setting up the email. Alright, so let me go back to the installation guide. Then now to set up your crypto address and bank details, look for the config folder and edit the db.php. Alright, so I already have that open right here. So the same place which you set your database, the same place you set your Bitcoin address, which is this right here, then your Ethereum address right here, then your bank details Then you can put your bank name right here, account number, then your sorting code, sort code right here. Okay, so you can see to access your admin will be your site URL /admin/en/login.php. Then use the default login detail, which is admin, then password 1256. So once you log in, you can change that anytime. Okay, so that's all about setting up this particular website. You can see it's very easy to do and very straightforward. You can do this in less than 10 minutes and you'll be done. Alright, so that's all for this particular video, and thanks for watching.